a long time I didn't do already videos, so summer ended and now we have a toy review today. So we're gonna open them and we're gonna see what's all in the 4 surprises inside. Okay, so I think this is the new collection or something. And then these are kind of, I don't know, but when they're made up, and this is, but guys, so I know what to open. What if we open these and a world of things? Yay! So cool! Let's start! So, Mom's gonna help me. Let's open it. What the? Cool. No way. What the? Guys, but we're gonna bring some water and we're gonna open this because actually the doll is inside the bomb. And this is, if you think it's rock, it's kind of as a life bomb, but it's like so big. So we need like, so we need to like put it in like a bath thing. So we can't get like a bath here. So yeah, we're gonna get some water and then we're gonna put it inside, okay? And I don't think you've seen anything like this before, either as me. Just put it inside this water. That's gonna be so fun. There we go. Oh no. Go inside. Come on, go inside. It loud. Then, oh my god, let's take this all out of here. Yikes. Whoa. I have like a box here. Ew. Disgusting. It is really disgusting though. Guys, I found like a box inside that life bomb. Let's open it. What is this? So cool. So we had like Happy Day and it was, half of it is blue and half of it is purple. And it can be a Gemini box. Let's open it. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, this is a happy birthday hat. See? I thought it was like a big one, but it's like a little one. See? Look at this. And it's just pink and blue. See, let's put this here and put this right over here. This is the dough. I can feel it. Oh, open it. A little bit of help. La 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 la. Let's see what's out. Comfy up. Comfy up. Look what beautiful doll it is. Look at her hair though. What? So beautiful with blue and purple sparkles. Wow. So we're going to put her here. Put the rubbish here. And what's inside here? I don't have no idea. Open it. Actually, it will help again before I can open it. I guess I haven't. What? It has a pet. Well, guys, can you know like the secret of it? It's maybe a cat, and they both have same hair. See? Turn around, sing the time. La 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 la. And we'll sing together. I just made that song up, you know. So, yes, let's open these thingy balls. There's 6 balls. And let me show you something. There's kind of a thingy. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna see it and open it. So yeah, this one here. Let's start with this blue one. So what's that? Sparkles. I had no idea what was inside there. Guys, this is the party dress. Look at this. What? So beautiful. Okay, you're gonna put it on her when you get all this. Let's get a purple ball. It's really heavy. Okay, it's another light bulb. What? I think it's something inside it. Nah, maybe just a light bulb. Wait, I think it's sand. Wait, let's just put the sand inside there. Whoa, I think we gotta find some stuff. Yes, I found some shoes. It's sand. It looks like a light bulb. Look at these shoes. They put it like plastic so it doesn't actually get in the shoe. There's like a little cupcake shoe. It's kind of the same as the other one. What the? I got sand, never mind. Just remember that and wash it. Whoa, I want to play with the sand. Yeah. Whoa, this sand is awesome. Okay, I guess it's the same as the other one. It's heavy like the other one. I guess it's like the same. Yes, it is. It really looks like a light bulb. Actually, nah. Ooh, I can hear it again. There's another costume. Cool. There has to actually be like 1. Actually, there's 2. She has 2 body dress. Something. That's maybe for her other friends. But let's play with the sand. I guess there's nothing much in. No. This is so flat. This can be the sand area. Same heavy. Yes, much more sand. How can this even be? How? I'm not kidding. Whoa, this is actually really nice. You gotta be good. This is the clothes for the pair. We got some little bit of plastic in there that I by accident took out, so let's put it in the rubbish. Look, that's the pet clothes. It's so good. I think it's just the pajamas. Ah! Sand's falling down. Real, that sand is so much of it. I guess there's no more in there. Okay, let's put this over there. This over there. Whoa, this sand's weird. We got 2 more. Sparkles. Whee! Hey! Hey! We found another dress for the girl. For like the LOL doll. She has 3 dresses now. What? I guess she hasn't got like shoes and everything. Ah, she does have shoes. Oh, hooray! She can give it some of her other friends. Okay, maybe this one is for the sparkles. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh! So where did it go? It goes somewhere here. gonna show you. Whoa, it's milk for the cat, maybe. Yeah. Okay. So we got loads of sand. This is the same color. Cool. The sparkles are all over the floor. So yeah, now let's put and see how they look like. Aww, that's no problem. Now we have to get the sand out of this shoe. Because the plastic by accidentally fell off. So yeah, the other one's kind of safe. The other one's safe. There we go. A little bit of slime there. This one's still okay. This one is still okay. This one has a little bit of sand. And what can do? Let's try your dresses on, yeah? Let's get some dresses on the Barbie, yeah? It's gonna be so fun. What if we have it on her hair? She just had one clothes. Well, let's try it on. So, guys, I didn't know. I don't think so. You noticed this? Wait, guys. It has to be like a secret. Because, guys, can you not see this? Can you not see this? Wait, look. There's like love hearts and like white thing. I don't think so you can see it, but it's like love hearts. Must be some like a secret or something. Oh, I don't think so. Okay, never mind. Maybe there's something in here. We haven't checked over here. Let's check this first. Maybe there's something special. You notice what I mean. I got a ponytail. You notice what I mean. I have a ponytail. I have a ponytail. I didn't think it was actually a secret. Maybe it has to look that. Wait. Maybe it's a little secret. Maybe. Let's try and figure it out. Ah, guys! Look, that's how they have to look like. That's them! So cute. This here. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, what's this? That says party. It's just look, P-A-R-T-E. Party. It spells party. Just some of them are upside down. Wanky, Twinkie Swank. So yeah, so let's think. Why do they have to be here? I have no idea. Maybe it's just for a sticker or something. I know, it's just a card. Whoa! What's wrong? It's stuck. Don't want to get it ruined. We can't spell party here. Can I do it? Let's just get the sign like a little bit like smooth. So it can be smooth. Let's go. Smooth sand. Smooth sand. There's loads of sparkles in there. I thought it was like twins on my tool. Oh, let's get it like a sign like right over here. And the sign. Like this is how. Let's spell party. P. Did it wrong. That's it. That's the I forgot. Got the P R Okay. But ha. I always spell it wrong. Never mind, happens. Why? Or yeah. Oh no. Party. Look at this. Looks so cool, doesn't it? It says party. Okay. Now let's quickly see how they look like. So let's start. Oh, didn't see you put the camera on. How do you put the shoe on? Can't even get in. Need some help right now. Mommy? Oh, I love this little thing. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is crazy right now. Did you put the camera on? Do you know? I accidentally fed off. So funny. The head is right over here. Don't worry, it didn't break. It can always put on. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. That's always what everybody says to me. Ah, so pretty girl. You're the prettiest girl. 'Cause you know when you are now, whatever comes to it, only somebody could hear. While it's sick, you don't help. Lost in a moment you do something. So look guys, look what I have. It's so beautiful, isn't she? She's like the beautiful one. I just had like 3 LOLs and that's it. Or 4 LOLs. I never had one like that before. I wish I could have that. Well, I have it already, so. Look at our cupcake shoes. She looks so pretty. Cool. I like her swimming suit. Okay, so now let's put this on. And actually, whoop, and now let's put this on. Oh, let's open the small one. I think she goes to school like this or something. She looks like a schoolgirl. And it's going around. It's like a zipper for kites. Zipper. Now, let's open these LOLs. Guys, guess what I know? She can have different type of hair. Take that one off and she's going to have like another one. Yay! It's so cool. Whoa! Whoa. I can see the golden bit. What's going to be inside? I never opened these before. Well, I've seen them, but I never opened them before. So I'm really excited when I open new stuff. Because I'm always like nervous. What's inside? Is it like so good? So like, ouch, my fingers. Oh my god. Oh, it's ripping all the time. Awesome. Yeah. Maybe the zipper broke. Yeah, there we go. It was just 2 wraps. Now we don't have a question. Guys, can you see? See different hair? Oh yeah. Guys, she can stand here. Cool. This whole big golden thing. Wow. open this first. What? This is all the hair. Cool. I'm gonna leave it because I still need to shut it. What? Whoa, that looks so cool. Oh my god, like, I'm about to cry. Thanks, Mom and Dad. Oh my god. So guys, if you want to get one of these, go to my Instagram and subscribe. Oh my god, I'm shocked. What? Look at this. Bum bum bum. I'm a little crab. Whoa, it's the same. Whoa, it's so cool. I'm a little crabby. Let's put it here. What's it say? Hey, it's a car. Silly me. My teacher always called me a banana brain. Kind of. What is this? Is it half of my hair? I don't think so. Maybe like all of the hair. Look at this. What? It's like a curly wave. It looks like a curly wave. I'm the water. Ooh. He's like beautiful hair. Oh my god, it feels so nice. It feels like I don't know, but like I never felt it before, so I don't know how it feels like. Let's put it back here. I guess it's the same hair. It's this, just a little bit much more curlier. This thing goes up. Hi, this is my little hand. He's so funny. Hi. Hello. Hello. Okay, so it's the same like this, just a little bit going here. Actually kind of different. Because there's like not much of purple, black I mean. I'm always getting mixed up with colours. Yeah, what's this thing? What? I thought it was a whole pack like that. Silly me. So, let's open this thing. Can you open it? One of them, this part, I could have opened. I lost this. I didn't know what doll, but still. So it's a bag and a pink girl. A bag and that. That's kind of different. We won't put it in the bin. Just put it next to the party. Look at this. So cool. Yeah. So let's put it like here. Right? Can you open it? I know I can't open it. Don't look. Don't look. I think that's her swimming suit. And that's her goggles. This is so amazing. I did not know they can have these. This is the first time I see this. Oh my god. So like a mermaid can catch her and save her. Boom, boom, boom. So funny. But I'm like so shocked right now. I don't even know what doll. I think it's gonna, remember like that doll where like I showed? So let's open this one. We still got one. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more. Oh, pink one's to open. No. This is another one. How many? Swimming hat. I thought it was like a hair thingy. But actually, they are so good. It's just half of it. So let's put them right. Where? Let's put them in here. Oh, this one. Still got 3 more. 3 more to go. Then, how many could there be already? There's like a pink thing. It's like this. It's all pink, and it's like a hat, maybe. Maybe it's a hat. Yeah. Okay. Let's put it like here. It's with a bell. There's Mummy. 2 more to go. Actually, 3 more to go. This is so amazing. Look at this water bottle. I'm drinking. Let's put it right here. 1 more to go. Oh, 2 more to go. Oh, what is this? I think you know everything. I don't know what this is. What? This is a hairbrush. It has a bow. It's so big. So beautiful. Let's put it here. You can brush like these ones. You see like the black ones. You can, and like this one you can brush. 1 more, 2 more to go. And that's it. I guess this one's gonna be the doll. Really big. Let's see what's inside. What is this? Oh. You figure what I know. What are they? I don't know what they're called, but yeah, they're so amazing. It's like for swimming. Like flip-flop. See that? What? I'm so shocked. I didn't know they can have these. And this is so amazing. This is the best one I opened. It's my first time like seeing this one. This is my first time opening this one. What is this? No idea. Maybe it has to be like that. And then zipper. Too late though. Opening the doll, I guess. This is the doll. Dun. It is a doll. Look at her. She has like these things, and like she has things, and like she can take off these though. I have nothing to say. I am shocked right now. It says baby. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, so if you like my video, put your thumbs up and subscribe. Love you all.